So you should have subtracted 2 and then done 180 times that. So 6 minus 2, so you're doing 180 times 4. You would get 720. Thank you. Cool. 180, okay. Which means that there's, I don't remember what this one is. 7 triangles. If there's 7 triangles in the shape, add 2, you know it has 9 sides. Do you remember what the name of that is? A nonagon. Because it has 9 sides. Okay, the last one was tripping some of us up. It's 5 sides. So to figure out the angle measures, or the sum of the angle measures, you do 5 minus 2, so 3 times 180. What do these angles sum to, Jacob? No, what are they? All 5. They add up to what? 540. 3 times 180. So all 5 angles add up to 540. You can write one equation. If you looked at your diagram, these bottom 2 angles are marked congruent. So you can call both of them x, for example. You don't have to use x. You could just divide by 2. So if I combine those like terms, and if you add up what you already have, is it 282? Okay. So I've combined these like terms to get 282. If you saw that, the smaller angles are how much? I don't actually remember. 129? Does that sound right? Okay. Subtract 282, divide by 2. So that's K and L. All right. These 4 angles, add all 4 up. Set them equal to 360. X plus 85 plus 2x plus 89 equals 360 degrees. You should combine your like terms and then solve the equation for x. Go ahead and do that. If you solve it correctly, you should have that x is 62. You do 15 minus 2, multiply by 180. Look at your do now paper if you don't remember. It's how many degrees? 2,340, I believe. So the sum of the angles is this. I want to know each interior angle. It's a regular polygon, so that all the interior angles should be the same. There's 15 of them. So if you divide this by 15, then each interior angle is 156. Okay, there's a second part to this. You have your interior angle and your exterior angle, and they make a linear pair. And so that means they're supplementary. They're side by side on a line. Those 2 angles I just marked have to add up to 180. So anytime you have an interior and exterior added together, they should be 180. So yeah, you can do 360 divided by 15, or if you know that the interior is 156, then the exterior has to be 24 degrees, because 156 plus 24 is 180. Okay, so here's your exterior angle. The reason this works, if you need to see a visual, they add up to 180 degrees because they're a linear pair.